Hello students, welcome to our digital classroom. In this video particularly, I am going to discuss with you all chapter number 4 of the second semester portion, Agriculture. I just want to tell you one thing here that Monica Miss has already completed water bodies, which is the part of second semester syllabus. So kindly don't ignore that. You have to count that particular chapter, means water bodies, in the second semester only. If you have any doubts in water bodies, in understanding water bodies, with the help of the comment section, you can clear your doubts. You can just put forward your doubts. If I get time after completing this syllabus, I will continue making video on water bodies. So in this video particularly, we are going to discuss about the types of agricultural practice in the world, and the very first type of agricultural practice, that is shifting agriculture, in detail. So without wasting much time, let's get started. This is the content part in which you can just look at the screen what we are going to discuss in these series, not in today's video, but this particular chapter will be downloaded in many videos. So these are the things we are going to discuss. First of all, introduction of agriculture. What is agriculture? This word means what? Then the second thing, types of agriculture. As I've already told you that we are going to discuss about the types of agricultural practice in the world. So there are 7 types which are mentioned in the book. Those only we are going to discuss in detail. Then types of crops. Then Green Revolution, when did it start? Who was the pioneer of that? And then the impact of Green Revolution. So in this video we are going to discuss the first type of agricultural practice, that is shifting agriculture, which is also known as shifting farming. Now, as I've already told you that we'll start with the introduction. So the word agriculture is taken from the Latin word that it means soil. Agar means soil and culture means cultivation. So agriculture means soil of cultivation, cultivation of soil. Now this is what the definition of agriculture: the practice of farming including the cultivation of the soil for the growing of crops and the rearing of animals to provide wool, food and other products. Means agriculture is not only limited to the growing of crops, it is also known for rearing of animals. So you might have heard about pastoral farming, right? So agriculture is more than crops and growing of the crops and so on. It is also comes in the category of rearing of animals. So this is what the definition of agriculture which you are going to learn by heart. Now the next one, types of agriculture, which we are going to discuss one by one in each and every video. So first of all, there is shifting farming, then subsistence farming, third one is intensive farming, fourth one extensive farming, fifth one that is commercial farming, and the last one that is plantation farming. Now in this video we are going to discuss in detail about shifting farming. As you can look at the screen, the picture is given, that is of shifting farming only, and it is also known as slash and burn agriculture. So just underline on your book slash and burn agriculture. Shifting farming is also known as slash and burn agriculture. Now the next important point is that it is the most primitive form of agriculture. Now when we say primitive, primitive means from the ancient time, from the time immemorial, it has been practiced all over the world, right? So that is why it is called the primitive form of agriculture. Now the next one is, it is widely practiced by the tribal people. Underline tribal people. And which are the places it is practiced? So it is practiced by the tribal people of tropical forests in Africa. So the places are Africa, Southeast Asia and northeastern part of India. Students, I just want to give you a note here that by mistake, this is a typing mistake, that is why A is capital. It should be small, okay, in the third line, and it should be small. Now next we are going to discuss about shifting agriculture is known at different places by the different names. Just have a look. So in northeast India, it is known as Jumming. In Central America and Africa, I think some problems were there, some technical problems. It is not shown, but it should be Central America and Africa. It is known as Milpa. Then Venezuela, it is known as Kunuka or Konuka. Brazil, it is known as Roca. Vietnam, it is known as Ray. Malaysia, it is known as Ladang. And Philippines, it is known as Chengen. So these are, the alternative names of shifting agriculture at different places. Now, what are the characteristics of shifting agriculture? Now, this part is very important because we are going to discuss about what actually happens in shifting agriculture. So, a small patch of land is cleared by burning to get it suitable for farming. Okay, so a small patch of land is taken and that is cleared by cutting the trees, by cutting bushes, grasses, whatever vegetation is there. So they just cut it, and after that, that small patch of forest land is burned to get land for farming, so that the land can be suitable for farming. Then the next important point, this small portion of forest area is slashed and burned to get land, right? And that is why this type of farming is also known as slash and burn agriculture. Now the next important point, the crops are grown for a few years on the patch and then it is abandoned to get a new land. Now abandoned means it is left. So for a small period of time, for a few years, they just took that patch of land and they grew things there. After some years, they just left that place and they just go and, in order to find a new land. So that land is left for some years. Now, the next point. It is called shifting agriculture because farming regularly shifts from one patch of land to another. Now, why it is called shifting agriculture? Because they keep on shifting, right? So one land, suppose initially they took one land, but after few years they will leave that land and they will shift to another land, and that is why it is called shifting agriculture or slash and burn agriculture. Okay, so students, in this video we have discussed about shifting farming or shifting agriculture. Also we have discussed about agriculture. This word is taken from the Latin word, so just have a revision. Okay, so from the beginning we are going to revise. In this video we have discussed firstly about agriculture, that it is taken from Latin word and it means cultivation of soil. Now the definition of agriculture is also given just below, that it is the practice of farming including the cultivation of the soil for growing of the crops and the rearing of animals. So the important keywords are highlighted here: for growing of crops and rearing of animals. After that we have discussed about the types of agriculture. You can be asked in your assignment that what are the different types of agriculture, that after so you have to mention all these. So these are the 6 different types of agriculture: shifting farming, subsistence farming, intensive farming, extensive farming, commercial farming, plantation farming. If I have told you 7, so it was by mistake. These are 6. Then shifting farming we have discussed in detail, that it is also known as slash and burn agriculture. Then the second important thing, it is primitive form, and the third important thing, that it is practiced by the tribal people of tropical forests, where it is Africa, Southeast Asia and northeastern part of India. Now the shifting agriculture is known by different names. So what are the different names? So Northeast India, it is known as Jumming. Central America and Africa, it is known as Milpa. Venezuela, Kunuka or Konuka. Brazil, Roca. Vietnam, Ray. Malaysia, Ladang. And Philippines, Chengen. These are the different names. Characteristics we have learned about, that a small patch of land is taken and it is burned so that it can be suitable for farming. Then on that small patch of land, they just grow some some vegetation, some crops. Okay, and that is why it is also called slash and burn agriculture. After growing crops over that area for a few years, they just leave that place and they shift to another land. As they just keep on shifting from one land to another, this agriculture is also known as shifting agriculture. So students, thank you for watching. If you have any doubts, you can ask me with the help of comment section. I will try my level best to clear your doubts. In the next video, we will be discussing about subsistence farming, that is the second kind of farming out of all these six. So I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.